Good day everyone. Today we will discuss about factoring polynomial. Example, determine the factors of the given polynomial x cubed plus 5x squared plus 2x minus 8. So the first step, you need to write the standard form of the given polynomial. So pag sinabing standard form, kailangan naka-arrange yung given polynomial natin, yung kanyang exponent ay naka-descending order. So pag sinabing descending, kailangan yung exponent ay wala mataas pababa. Yan. Kung may nawawala, dilalagyan natin ng 0 at saka yung nawawalang variable or term. Then, ang factors ng 8, sunod na step. Factors ng 8, saan galing yung 8? Yun yung constant natin, ito. Factors ng 8 ay mga number na maaari nating i-divide sa 8, which is 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2, 4, negative 4, 8, negative 8. So, hindi tayo magkakaroon dyan dapat ng 3 kasi ang 3 ay, pag dinivide natin ng 8 sa 3 ay may sobra. Pag sinabi kasi yung factors, kailangan walang excess kapag tayo ay magdi-divide. Yan. 1. So, uunahin natin gamitin yung 1. Okay, ay pipili lang kayo dyan kung alin ang gusto nyong gamitin sa synthetic division para mahanap natin yung mga factors. So, ginamit ko muna itong 1. And then, sa synthetic division, kinukuha lang natin ay numerical coefficient ng bawat term which is itong 1, 5, 2, at negative 8. Ito. And then, ang first step sa synthetic division, bring down yung unang number which is 1, 1, and then, multiply doon. So, 1 times 1 is 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. And 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. And since the remainder is 0, therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. So, bakit siya naging x minus 1? Eh, positive ba nang ginamit? Kapag positive ang ginagamit nyo, magiging siyang minus. So, x minus 1. Halimbawa, ginamit ko naman na a negative 1, tapos nag-0 yung remainder. So, magiging siyang x plus 1. So, ito yung magiging isa sa mga factor, yung x minus 1. And then, ang matitira, ito, x squared plus 6x plus 8. So, susunod na step, instead of using this one para mahanap yung factors, gagamitin na lang natin ay itong x squared plus 6x plus 8 para mas madaling hanapan ng susunod na factor. Yan. Ito pa rin ang gagamitin. So, kunin ulit yung factors nito, which is 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2, 4, negative 4, 8, and negative 8. So, ginamit natin yung 1 kanina. So, try naman natin ang negative 1. So, 1, 6, at 8 pa rin. Ayan. Yung numerical coefficient ng bawat term. Then, bring down 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. 6 plus negative 1 is 5. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. And 8 plus negative 5 is 3. So, since the remainder is 3, therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of the given polynomial. Bakit x plus 1? Kasi nga, pag minus ito o negative ang ginamit, nagiging siyang plus. X plus 1. Another uli, gagamitin naman natin ng 2. So, 1, 6, 8. So, bring down 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 plus 16 is 24. Since the remainder is 24, therefore, x minus 2 is not a factor of the given polynomial. Try naman natin ang negative 2. Negative 2. So, bring down yung 1, 6, at 8. So, 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. 6 plus negative 2 is 4. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. And 8 plus negative 8 ay 0. Since the remainder is 0, therefore, x plus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. So, nakompleto na natin yung factor. So, sunod na step, susulat lang natin yung given na polynomial, i-equal natin siya dun sa factor niya kanina, so which is x cubed plus 5x squared plus 2x minus 8 is equal to x minus 1 times the quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x plus 4. Next, another example. Example number 2, determine the factors of the given polynomial 2x cubed minus 13x squared plus 17x plus 12. Again, kunin natin yung factors nung constant which is 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2, 3, negative 3, 4, negative 4, 6, negative 6, 12, and negative 12. Again, pili lang tayo ng gusto nyong gamitin. So, dito ang gagamitin ko na muna ay 3. Yan. Pero pwede naman 1 ang gamitin nyo. O kaya ay 2. So, bahala kayo. Basta pumili lang kayo dyan. And then 3. So, sulat lang natin yung numerical coefficient ng bawat term which is 2, negative 13, 17, at saka 12. So, bring down 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And negative 13 plus 6 is negative 7. Negative 7 times 3 is negative 21. 17 plus negative 21 is negative 4, and negative 4 plus 3 is negative 12. Times 3 is negative 12. And 12 plus negative 12 is 0. Since the remainder is 0, therefore x minus 3 is a factor of the given polynomial. So, x minus 3 times 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. So, instead again of using this given polynomial, ang gagamitin na lang natin ay 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. Kasi nga yung x minus 3 ay factor na nitong given na polynomial. Continue natin yung process. So, ang kukunin naman nating factors ay yung 4. Which is 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2, 4, at negative 4. And then, ginamit ko na agad dito ay 4. Basta pwede naman 1 din ay negative 2. So, sa tingin ko kasi ay 4 ang magpapa 0 sa remainder. So, kaya 4 agad ang ginamit ko. And then, 2, negative 7, negative 4. Then, bring down 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Negative 7 plus 8 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. And negative 4 plus 4 is 0. Since the remainder is 0, therefore, x minus 4 is a factor of the given polynomial. And so, mangyayari ngayon ay x minus 4 times 2x plus 1. So, okay na siya. And then, gagawin naman natin ay sulat natin yung given na polynomial at saka yung mga factors na lumabas. So, 2x cubed minus 13x squared plus 17x plus 12 is equals to x minus 3 times the quantity x minus 4 times the quantity 2x plus 1. So, ganun lang ang pagpa-factor ng polynomials. So, that's all. Thank you for watching. Every word of God is a shield to those who put their trust in Him. Proverbs 35.